Hello, I am Aleida Rojas and I study political science at the National University Open and Distance at the moment. And I am studying English and it's been a good learning experience. I am recording for Napchef and today we are going learning how to prepare a typical recipe of the Nariñense region. The recipe called sancocho. Preparing a sancocho colombiano entirely with a Nariñense flavor is no difficult thing to do. The first things you need is the ingredients. Ingredients list. Number ingredients: 1 curly potato, 2 hen, 3 yuca, 4 cup corn, 5 green banana, 6 white potato, 7 chicken broth, 8 cilantro, 9 onions, 10 garlic, 12 salt, 12 pepper, 13 avocado deliciosos. Instructions. To start with, we put the water in larger pot at the boiling hand and bring to boil. Second, we add the fried ingredients to the cooking shoot ash. Curly potato, red potato, white potato, green banana, yuca, and corn. After that, an envelope of cherry chicken broth and let it boil 13 minutes. Meanwhile, we chop up cilantro, the garlic cloves, and the onions we reserved. And then we add finally chopped cilantro and onions, salt and pepper to state. We serve with corn, yuca, and avocado. I invite you to prepare this delicious dish. Thank you. Bye.